taking connectivity to new heights with SpaceX's Starlink satellites. Imagine a world without boundaries, where access to information is both universal and instant. This isn't just fantasy, it's our future. Meet SpaceX's Starlink, a constellation of low Earth orbiting satellites designed to provide global 4G LTE coverage. Starlink paves the way for a future where no location is too remote, no data demand too great. It's internet, revolutionized. From rural farmers to global corporations, Starlink's broad coverage will empower and connect individuals in ways previously unimaginable. Addressing the digital divide, Starlink brings new possibilities to those in internet-starved regions. Education, business, innovation, everything becomes accessible. SpaceX's Starlink satellites, altering our perception of connectivity and paving the way to a future without limits. The future is now.